Hi Lalabs Faye, I hope you're doing well. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. I miss you so much Lalabs. I wish you all the best. I just wanna say that we are all so proud of you and to all your achievements in life. God bless you always Lalabs. Thanks for being an inspiration and a source of my happiness while I'm here in abroad. I'm always here to support and protect you to all that bashers. Don't worry. Yun lang, lalabs. I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon. And sana makapag-banding tayo. Dito pa yung picture natin. Since 2019 pa yan. Nandyan lang siya sa phone ko. Love you, lalabs. Stay as you are. Stay pretty, healthy, and sexy. Mama, chup chup. God bless you.
Hello, Lalabs Faye. Kumusta ka na? Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy 29th birthday. And sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo kasama ng mga family mo at ng mga Faye lovers natin. Iba pang mga kaibigan mo and your relatives. And sana magkita tayo muli sooner. And ang wish ko lang sa birthday mo ay more projects to come for you from GMA7 and more blessings na dumating pa para sa'yo. Sana malaman mo na nandirito lang ako sa'yo palagi para isupport kita palagi. And enjoy your birthday, Lalabs Faye.
Hi, Ate Faye. Advance happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko para sa'yo is more projects and success to come. And thank you sa pagiging ate. And thank you sa lahat ng blessings na sinishare mo sa akin. Super appreciated and deserve mo lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap mo. So, ayan, Ate Faye, advance happy birthday again and ingat ka po palagi. Thank you.
Hey Tata, love you, miss you. Ingat ka palagi, miss na kita.
Hi ate, happy birthday to you. My wish for you is more blessing and good health. And syempre, the business, sana marami ka pang ma-open na business para more business, more income, 'di ba? And gusto ko mag-thank you sa mga sacrifice mo and effort for our family. Thank you so much. At sana ikaw naman, ngayon naman, this time, sarili mo naman. Enjoy your day, and yun lang. Wala na akong masabi. Basta, nandito lang kami palagi sa'yo. Support. Huwag mo nang pakilaman ng mga basher. Huwag mo nang intindihin dahil mga pangit sila. Mga alam mo na, kulang sa aruga. And, diba si Tony Fowler. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you. Dito lang kami lagi.
Hello ate, happy birthday sa iyo. More blessings to come and thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. We love you ate.
Hello ate, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo sa aming kapatid. Mahal na mahal ka po namin ate. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. Wish ko maging good ka palagi at more blessing to come. Thank you ate. Love you.
Hi, Faye. Advance happy birthday. God bless. Kahit maraming problema, laban lang. Kapit lang sa Panginoon. Marami pang posibilidad na aangat basta ang pag-ibig mo sa Panginoon, unahin mo. Maraming salamat and God bless. Advance happy birthday from Nanay Mayo. Thank you. God bless. I love you.
Hello Fayer, it's your boy KL, and I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Ang tagal na nating kaibigan. I've seen you grow over the years, and I just wanted to say that I'm so proud of everything that you've become. Enjoy your special day because you deserve it, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care, God bless, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Faye!
Hi, baby! Happy birthday! I just wanna say na I'm very happy sa lahat ng blessings na nag-visit mo in life, and I wish na mas lalo pang madagdagan yan, and of course, more happiness to you and to your family. I love you, we love you, alam mo yan. Enjoy your day.
Surprise! Faye! Alam mo na, Faye! Naku, Faye, it's a time of the year na magsa-celebrate ka ulit ng birthday mo. I wish you all the best, Faye. Alam mo naman kung gaano ka kahalaga sa akin, kung gaano ka ka-special, at isa ka sa mga tuturing ko, talagang kaibigan ko talaga. And thank you for your support, and I wish you all the best. And yun, relax ka lang ha, wala mo na mga stress. At syempre, yung focus mo dyan sa iyong skincare business, look at that. Only Faye touches my skin. I wish you more blessings, and yun, hope to see you soon ha. Manlibre ka ha. Joke lang, love you. Amazing.
Hi, Lupi! Happy birthday! At dahil birthday mo, I wanna gift you the Alps from Switzerland. Happy birthday, Lope! I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, BFF Faye Lorenzo! BFF, I'm so happy for you. And lahat ng blessing na nakukuha mo ngayon, deserve mo yan. Dahil I know how good is your heart, napakabuti ng puso mo, sa buong pamilya mo, sa lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Hindi man tayo nakikita o nagkakasama, kasama ka lagi sa dasal ko, kaya ng buong pamilya mo. Walang nagbago, and I missed you, I love you, and sana lahat ng blessing na natatanggap mo, huwag mo kakalimutan na magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Dahil binibless ka niya, dahil napakabuti mong tao. Ingat ka lagi. I hope to see you soon. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mwah.